I'm hiding it because it costs money, baby. There's no such a free shit nowadays, okay? Everything expensive. My my expenses is expensive, okay? My daily basis shit is expensive. Just saying. I didn't go to Birkin store every day or whatever channel shit. But I just woman just naturally expensive. Right? I can't get enough. Dice que no le es suficiente. Chop. Congrats. Joder. I wanna talk to a man. Cause I can't crazy. Can I get the Discord, baby? What do you need for? This is a Discord. There you go. How the fuck both freaks can understand? Oh, my head hurt now. Fuck. So boring. Got a minute? No, nigga. I don't got a minute for nigga. I'm so sorry, be honest with you. If you're nigga, I don't got any fucking minute for you. Give me some more of it. I can't get enough. She feel like the ocean. Die die. Die die. So my head hurt. Boring. Man, I'm so bored. Come on. Should I go soon? Take myself to the fancy dinner? Since I don't go on a date, man, so just take myself to the fancy dinner. Ew. Fancy? Where should I go? That new restaurant, yeah. To see maybe I can. Give me a second. Ah, come on. I'm so bored. Oh, there's no fucking country boy, and nobody can be like him. Can we call baby? No, we can't. If you're not giving me money, no, no call. Can I put my? Fuck no. You is, bro. I'm not fucking that desperate for a fucking dick, okay? I get a dick, same dick for a fucking 3 years. Can you imagine that? Every fucking day almost. I'm bored, okay? So shut your ass up, bitch. And don't say like that. It's gay when you say like that. You don't realize other guys also reading your fucking text? You're the one who's being desperate here, bro. Can I put my dick hard in your fucking few times? You can't get a fucking pussy in real life? Oh my fucking god, what a sad life you have. Motherfucker really think I'm the one who desperate for fucking dick, bro. If I really want a dick, let me tell you what. Next door is fucking my neighbor. 2 guys living alone. I can have a fucking gangbang right now if I want. You think I can do that? Of course I can. I just don't want to, okay? Not my cup of tea. Also I got standard, I got type, bitch. I'm not like you. Look at you. Desperate. Can I put my PP in you? Like, no. First of all, ew. Who the fuck? When the fuck I'm begging for a fucking